NYC nursing home resident, 89, beaten to death by 95-year-old dementia patient. Nina Kravtsov, 89-year-old Brooklyn nursing home resident and Holocaust survivor, beaten to death by 95-year-old dementia patient, Galina Smirnova with wheelchair piece after argument as she now faces murder charges. A Coney Island nursing home resident allegedly beaten to death by a 95-year-old dementia patient was identified by the victim's daughter as a Holocaust survivor. Nina Kravtsov, 89, was mortally injured when the 95-year-old fellow resident of Seagate Rehabilitation and Nursing Center, Galina Smirnova, repeatedly struck her with a metal wheelchair piece just after 10 p.m. Sunday. 89-year-old Brooklyn nursing home resident beaten to death by 95-year-old dementia patient. Kravtsov, who was found lying in bed with a bleeding head wound, was rushed to NYU Brooklyn Hospital, where she passed away hours later. The tragedy comes after the two women getting into an argument, NBC-NY reported. Initially, authorities had yet to decide whether to press charges against the 95-year-old, with the NY Post reporting late Tuesday that prosecutors deciding to move forward with charges, charging the 95-year-old with murder and criminal possession of weapons charges. "Right now I'm grieving the circumstances of how my mother died," Kravtsov's daughter, Lucy Flom, told the NY Post in an earlier report. Flom remembered her mother as a Holocaust survivor who sacrificed for the good of her loved ones. "She was 5 years old when she was in the ghetto. She had a big family. She lost most of her family." Kravtsov launched a nursing career in Ukraine, where everybody loved her, and she was also a teen mom, her daughter said, according to the NY Post. "She sacrificed a lot," Flom said. "She was a single mom. She had me when she was 18. She came here to give me a good education," she added. "She was a very dedicated mother." Holocaust survivor rebuilt a life in Brighton Beach before moving to Coney Island nursing home after husband passing away. Flom said her mother later remarried as the daughter gained a stepbrother and stepsister. Kravtsov, according to the daughter, also had many friends in Brighton Beach, where she lived for years, some of whom have since passed away. "They all loved her," Flom said. "I loved her, too." Kravtsov moved to the nursing home about 5 years ago after the death of her husband, her former neighbors in Brighton Beach. Following the deadly attack, the older senior was taken to Coney Island Hospital for both a physical and psychiatric evaluation, sources said. The 95-year-old suspect is not currently facing charges because of her cognitive condition, authorities close to the investigation say. She remained at the hospital Tuesday as cops conferred with the Brooklyn District Attorney's Office about what, if any, charges she should face. Like and subscribe for more.